How to log in to your Temu account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can get logged into your Temu account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded Temu application. If not, head over to Play Store and search for Temu. This is the application that you should have on your device. Once you have installed it, tap on Open, and it will show you this page. Now to get logged into your account, you will see a sign in on the bottom of your page. If you don't see it here, just tap on Use section again, and here tap on Sign in/register. Once done, you can either get logged into your account using your phone number or Google account. And once you tap on the Google account, it will automatically open up your Temu account. And once done, this is what it will look like. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.